We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care. And it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.